Welcome to the Crochet Llama. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the front loop double crochet. As you can tell, when you end up crocheting into the front loop, you get this nice lined pattern. So let me go ahead and show you how to do this. You want to take your yarn, wrap it around your finger, and pull through. And that ends up giving you a nice little slip knot to work with. So you can chain any number that you would like for your project. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and chain 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Now from the second chain from the hook, you want to go ahead and do your double crochet all the way back. So you'll end up having 10 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So go ahead and turn your work and chain 1. So because we're going to do a front loop double crochet, you see your nice beautiful V that you have? Instead of going through both the loops like we normally would, we're going to actually go through the front loop right here. So you'll actually pop up through the middle of the V. So go ahead and do your first double crochet. So pop up through the V. Alright. Make sure we see it okay. Pop up, there you go. Yarn over and pull through. Pop up through the middle. Yarn over and pull through. And you'll want to do that all the way to the end of your row. So through the front and pop up through the middle V. And this is how you do a front loop double crochet. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and if you feel so inclined, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I hope you have a happy crochet day.